Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In today's video I show you how to take a screenshot using the accessibility button. After I update the tablet to One UI 6, the screenshot button disappeared from quick settings bar. I configured the accessibility button as a screenshot button. To do that, enter in the settings menu and tap on accessibility. Tap on interaction and dexterity. Enable assistant menu. Tap on assistant menu to configure. Tap on select assistant menu items. Press the minus icon to remove all icons. Let just the screenshots icon. If you deleted the screenshot icon by mistake, press reset and do it again, or tap on plus sign to add the icon back. Now the accessibility button is on the screen. Every touch will take the screenshot. You can hide it in the edge or you can put him in line with taskbar. Tap on the button to take a screenshot. You find the screenshot in the gallery and you can edit it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.